So welcome students. So in this question you're given that 0 to pi x times f of sin x dx is equal to a times 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. So effectively you're asked to simplify this side, this integral, into this integral. So when you do that, what is the constant that comes out? So let us use our properties of definite integrals. So let us say that I is equal to integration from 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx. Now this I is also equal to integration of 0 to pi. So the property says that if you have 0 to a f of x dx, that is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is, I can put pi minus x in the place of x. So in the place of x, if I put pi minus x into f of sin pi minus x dx. But luckily sin pi minus x is same as sin x. So that is equal to integration from 0 to pi minus x times f of sin x dx. Now if I add these two integrals, so 2i becomes integration from 0 to pi. So as you can see, x into f of sin x minus x into f of sin x gets cancelled. So pi times f of sin x dx. That is equal to pi is a constant. Pi times 0 to pi f of sin x dx. But in the question, you can see that you have a pi by 2 here. So again, we use the property. If f of a minus x is same as f of x, then I can take a 2 outside. So if I put pi minus x in the place of x, this function is not changing. And I can write this as 2 pi times integration from 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Now 2i is equal to this. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So effectively I is equal to pi times 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. Hence, the value of a is nothing but pi. Thank you.